And they're off. Racing at Hall Green and 2 has fallen coming out the boxes there.
And away and racing. 5 breaks just in front of 4 and 3. 6 now with speed on the outside to come through and head them all off. And it is the dog on the outside. Oh, we've lost 2 at the back there. 3 and 4 both got knocked over.
Racing away. 6 away smartly. Leading up over 3 and then 5. 4 and 2 behind those. And then 1 looking to make the ground on the inside and 2's been tumbled over.
And away and racing with 1 getting a flyer up on the inside. 6 and 5 now with pace. 4 just in behind them looking for room. Oh, 5 cut across and has been knocked over.
3 has the lead, not so far in front now. They're starting to reel him in here. I doubt he's going to finish in the money in the end, but 1 and 5 now go to the front out on the far side. 3 KO'd at that bend.
Ο αγώνας μας είναι σε εξέλιξη.
Δρομή 480 μέτρα, επίπεδο Α6. Το 4 έφυγε πολύ καλά. Το 3 ακολουθεί και το 6 προσπαθεί να συγκλίνει.